Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Now if you're like me, you may be curious, when you put a big bore on your motorcycle, does that change the sound at all? Well, that is what we're going to be figuring out today. Today we are getting some sound clips with the KLX351 and we're going to put them side by side with the sound clips from when the KLX was just a 250 and see if there's any sound difference. I think there is. I think that it sounds a little bit more deeper and thunderous with the big bore. Of course, if you're curious about the mods, I have a full FMF exhaust with the Q4 Slip On and the Megabomb Header, the EJK Fuel Controller, of course the big bore kit, KDX Snorkel, and that just about does it for performance mods. So we are going to go ahead, get cold start, warm start, revs, flybys, wide open throttle on the bike, and just cruising around and go ahead and compare it to when the KLX had a stock bore, of course when it was a 250. First things first, let's go ahead and get those sound clips, and then after that we'll do the side-by-side comparison, one after the other, of the big bore and the stock bore. So let's go ahead, get on the bike, get it fired up. Bike sounds pretty good. So now that we got the sound clips for the 351, let's go ahead, put them side by side with the stock bore 250 KLX. Let's see what difference there is in the sound. Like I said, I think it sounds a bit deeper. The bike does rev up a little bit faster because of the crankcase, the PCV that was drilled out a little bit. But let's go ahead, put them side by side, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. So as you guys can see, with the 351, it does sound a little bit deeper. It also revs up quicker, like I said, because of the PCV crankcase ventilation. It makes all sorts of brap noises. So the answer to the question is yes, adding a big bore to your motorcycle changes the sound up a little bit. Of course, among other things, performance and all that. But I think that is going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. And of course, if you're not already, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on. At this point, we are almost to 800, which makes us only 200 away from 1,000, which is really, really exciting. Thank you guys again for the support. Can't thank you guys enough. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.